Calling the Duluth area lift bridge from the Great Republic.
Stereo bridge, go to 10, please.
10 ton.
Afternoon, Great Republic.
Hey, Great Republic here. Giving you a call about an hour out.
Copy that. If you could give me a call about the mile and a half, I'd appreciate it. We'll make sure we're up and ready for you, Cap.
Okay, we'll do Republic back to 1-6.
Bridge back 1-6 as well.
Duluth aerial lift bridge. Duluth aerial lift bridge, Great Republic 1.5.
Roger, Cap. I see you there. We'll get things started. Appreciate the call.
Arriving through the Duluth Ship Canal is the Great Republic. The Great Republic was built as the American Republic in 1981 by the Bay Shipbuilding Company of Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin. She measures 634 feet in length, 68 feet in width, and 40 feet in depth. She is powered by two 3,600 horsepower, 20-cylinder General Motors diesel engines. She is also equipped with bow and stern thrusters plus 8 rudders, making her one of the most maneuverable lakers on the Great Lakes. The Great Republic has 21 hatches on her deck, which open into 6 cargo holds located below deck. Each hatch covering measures 40 by 11 feet. She has a maximum carrying capacity of 24,800 tons. Above her deck is a 251-foot self-unloading boom, which allows her to unload her own cargo without the aid of shoreside equipment. The Great Republic is owned by the Duluth-based Great Lakes Fleet, a subsidiary of Canadian National Railway, and operated by Key Lakes Incorporated, also of Duluth. Originally operated by American Steamship, she was given the name Republic due to her contract to deliver iron ore pellets to Republic Steel. She was designed to traverse the long and winding Cuyahoga River, inland from Lake Erie, to reach steel mills. In fact, her pilot house is positioned as far back as possible so that officers can see the front and very back of the vessel. In 2011, the American Steamship Company's lease for the Great Republic expired, and it was then forward operated by Great Lakes Fleet. The Great Lakes Fleet is the direct descendant of the historic and dominant Pittsburgh Steamship Company, founded in 1901 by U.S. Steel. It was the largest fleet of ships in the world when founded, and it remained the largest fleet on the lakes for most of its existence. The Great Republic will be unloading limestone today at Halllett 5. If you see any crew on board, give them a big wave and welcome them back to the Twin Ports. What you just heard is known as the captain's salute. It's one long tone by the horn, followed by 2 short tones. The Great Republic was saluting the aerial lift bridge, and the bridge was saluting back. Once again, this is the Great Republic. She was built in 1981 and measures 634 feet in length. She has a maximum carrying capacity of 24,800 tons. The Great Republic will be unloading limestone today at Halllett 5.
Thank you, aerial lift bridge. Great Republic, thank you.